Hello, in today's video we got a turn signal issue on this 2010 Chevy Malibu. It's got one signal which flashes normal and the other which flashes fast, which is indicative of a blown bulb. So after looking around the car, I noticed the rear turn signal wasn't working at all. To get to this bulb, we'll have to remove the taillight assembly, but there will be 3 nuts hidden behind this carpet. So first we'll have to remove a few clips, a panel, and slide the housing out. First we'll need to remove this trunk panel. And to do this, we'll want to start by pulling up here in the middle and then sliding across to remove the remaining clips. That panel piece is attached by 4 of these clips that you see here. And this is where they should have held on to, but when removing this piece it tends to come off without them. Next we'll want to unscrew these cargo net clips. To remove them, just rotate them off by turning counterclockwise. Followed up by doing the same with the second clip. Now for these next 2 clips, I like to use a clip removal tool as to not damage them, but they can be removed with something to pry them off like a screwdriver, but they may get damaged in the process. With those clips removed, we can just fold back the carpet. We can now remove the 3 nuts holding the taillight assembly by rotating each one counterclockwise. Onto the second one, and finally the third one. The taillight assembly should now pull back and allow you to remove the taillight bulb. Now to remove the bulb, you'll want to rotate the taillight bulb socket counterclockwise. And there's our bad bulb. Black on the glass is a good indicator that the bulb went out. To remove it, you'll want to pull back on it. If it's tight, you might want to wiggle it side to side. Not sure how well it shows up on camera, but the filament is definitely broken. And you can also see the bulb number, which is 3157. And this is the replacement bulb. I buy these by the 10 pack since I use the same number bulbs so often. You want to avoid touching these bulbs directly with your hands, since the oil will cause these bulbs to go out faster. To reinstall it, just slide the bulb back in, putting the socket back into the taillight and rotating clockwise. Followed by sliding the taillight assembly back into position. Reinstalling the 3 nuts. Followed by the carpet and the clips. You'll also want to tuck the carpet back under the weather strip lip. Reinstall the 2 cargo net clips by rotating them clockwise. Followed by the second one. And finally this trunk panel. You just want to put it in position and push down. Well, let's see how we did. It looks like it's back to normal in here. How about we check the back? Well, it looks like everything is back to working good. And with that, completing this video. Well, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please click that thumbs up button to support my video and my channel. And please subscribe if you haven't done so.